raised to 7 dyne centimeter. Okay students, now if I want to find out, this is the another unit of moment of a force, that is 1 kgf meter. Okay students, because I said that Newton and kgf, they both are the units of force. So moment of a force, instead of Newton, what I'll write kgf. Okay, and meter will be same. So there is one more unit of moment of force, that is kgf meter. Okay, so how many Newton meter are present in 1 kgf? We all know that 1 kgf is equals to 9.8 Newton. That means instead of kgf, what I'll write 9.8 Newton, and meter will be same. So 1 kgf consists of 9.8 Newton meter. Okay students, now what is the CGS system of kgf? That is gf, and meter, that is centimeter. Now how many dyne centimeter are present in 1 gf centimeter? This thing I want to find out. Okay, it's very easy. So 1 gram 4 centimeter consists of how many dyne centimeter? This thing I want to find out. It's very simple students. This is the question mark, we want to find out the value. Okay, so 1 kgf meter, we know that it is 9.8 Newton meter. Now how would I convert this kgf meter into gram force centimeter? That is, instead of kgf I will write gram force, and instead of meter I will write centimeter. But 1 kg consists of 10 raised to 3 grams, that is 1000 grams, and 1000 can be written as 10 raised to 3. And 1 meter consists of 100 centimeter, that is 10 raised to 2 centimeter. Okay, so here I will write 9.8, and 1 Newton meter, I know that it consists of 10 raised to 7 dyne centimeter. So instead of Newton meter, what I will write 10 raised to 7 dyne centimeter. Okay, so 10 raised to 3 plus 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 5 gram force centimeter, and here it's 9.8 into 10 raised to 7 dyne centimeter. Okay, so 1 gram force centimeter, if I take this 10 raised to 5 over here, then it will become 9.8 into 10 raised to 7 dyne centimeter divided by 10 raised to 5. Okay, so when this 5 will go in the numerator, then it will get subtracted from 7. So 9.8 into 10 raised to 7 minus 5 dyne centimeter. So 9.8, 10 raised to 7 minus 5, that is 10 raised to 2 dyne centimeter. Okay, so 9.8 into 10 raised to 2 means 980 dyne centimeter. So 1 gram force centimeter consists of 980 dyne centimeter, and 1 kgf meter consists of 9.8 Newton meter. Okay, so this is very important conversion students. Please, you have to do the writing practice of this conversion, because it comes in exam for 3 to 4 marks. Okay, so this was all about the moment of a force. And one more thing, when should we take moment of a force as positive and negative? Now see students, this is a disc, right? And I have pivoted this disc from the center. Now if I apply force at this point, see, then what will happen? This body will rotate in the clockwise direction. Okay, so when I apply the body, or when I apply force at this point, then the body will rotate in the clockwise direction. Okay, but the same force when I apply instead of this point, if I apply at this point, then the body will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Can you see here? It is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. So when the body is moving in clockwise direction, it is the moment of force is taken as negative. And when the body is moving in anti-clockwise direction, it is taken as positive. For anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so this was all about the movement of a force, and we'll continue next time. Okay, thank you so much.